Here we are at another cafe. Today we are updating you with another cafe here in Al Khod area. So this is a really nice place where you can have a great coffee time with your friend, or even if you want to come here alone. I'm like 100% sure that you're gonna have a real fun time. You can even sit here and do your like official work, or if you like writing, you can do that, because the layout of the cafe is too good. I mean, there are different areas where people who want, they want to be isolated. They can like isolate themselves and do their work. And if you look here, they had this Sebastian cake, which I was surprised to see because you don't find this in many places around. So even their choice of cakes that they keep, the sandwiches and these chocolate bars and everything, was quite healthy and good. Now this was their menu, and they asked us like if you want to try something new. So I thought, why not? And then I ordered something which was with coconut milk and dates. So the sweetness there was of dates, and this was an awesome experience. I really enjoyed my time there. So I recommend this place to everyone. Thank you for watching.